I want to apply shading on this paragraph. So for applying shading, simply have to click on this paragraph and click here on this flyout button. You can find here option of paragraph border and shading. So on border, I have already created a video. You can watch my previous video if you don't know how to apply border on paragraph. And now I'm going to explain you how to apply shading. So just you have to click on this option, shading, and apply shading from here. Just you have to click on this. You can see shading has been applied on our paragraph. Okay, so here are some shading properties available that we can use for creating a specific customized shading in Adobe InDesign. So just you can change the color of your shading from here. Okay, and you can manage the tints of your color, how many percentage of the color you want on your shading. Okay, apart from this, you can see here corner size and shape. If you want to change your corner type, what type of corner you want for your shading, so you can manage from here something like this. You can see how it's getting changed. And apart from this, you can see here offset option. So for adjusting offset, you can simply decrease and increase offsets from here, something like this. You can increase the size of your shading, and you can also decrease the size of your shading, something like this. And if you want to keep your shading inside your frame only, just you have to click on clip to frame. So you can see shading is not going beyond your frame. Okay, so it was some important setting of your shading. Hope you got to understand applying shading and using its properties. So once you have done all these things, simply have to click on OK. Now you can see here on this paragraph shading has been applied. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel for more useful content. Thank you.
Lee Graphics.